Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You're starting without a phone, so begin at the TV. Plug the Chromecast into an HDMI port and power it. Turn the TV to that HDMI input and watch for the Chromecast welcome screen. Once you see the on-screen code, switch to a laptop or tablet and open a browser. You'll use the Google Home Webflow or the device's built-in cast settings. Make sure your computer's Wi-Fi can join the same network you intend to use for the Chromecast. On your laptop or tablet, open the Chrome browser and use cast settings or visit the Google Home setup via the App Web alternative. The browser will detect the Chromecast. Enter the on-screen code shown on TV to pair. Next, choose the Wi-Fi network and enter its password so the Chromecast joins your home network. Name the device for easy identification. Once done, confirm any optional features like guest mode or linking a Google account. Then wait for the device to finish its firmware and network configuration. Now that the Chromecast is on your network, open Chrome and use the Cast button to stream tabs, videos, or your desktop directly to the TV. For local files, either stream from a computer or use a TV media app that reads a USB drive while the Chromecast handles casting. If things go wrong, stop and restart the Chromecast and your router. Confirm both devices are on the same Wi-Fi and retry the pairing sequence. That fixes most.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.